The following is a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative.
The Okeene microwave tower, which was part of the original microwave system, came down on Thursday, September 4th. The 400-foot tower, which was erected during the last months of 1964 and the first part of 1965, served WFEC for over 50 years. It was most recently used as a master site for WFEC's point-to-multi-point system. That system has since been replaced by the 700 MHz system. Estimates to upgrade the tower were more costly than it was to build a brand new tower. Upgrading our communications is another part of keeping reliable, wholesale power flowing to our members. Check out this view. That 400-foot tower is going to be coming right at you. That dish that gets smashed into pieces is over 12 feet wide. Special thanks to everyone who sent their videos in to be included in this video.